Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today is just a quick video on how to actually get free crypto. So this is not a scam video before anyone starts putting in the comments. This is just a way to get small amounts of cryptocurrency for free if you want to put in the work and you want to put in your addresses into these different websites. They are verified, so you're not going to have your keys stolen or anything. You're only putting in your address. And this is through a crypto faucet. So if you don't know, crypto faucets are an app or a website that distributes small amounts of cryptocurrencies as a reward for completing easy tasks. Normally the reward is just inputting your address. Some of them ask for more rewards, like following somebody on Twitter or something like that. So people can donate into these crypto faucets and you complete a task for them and they reward you with a small amount of cryptocurrency. Hence why it's called a faucet, because it basically drips cryptocurrency out. Now there is a ton of faucets out there and there is potential to make, not a lot of money, but a reasonable amount that would all add up over time. So there's a nice Twitter post here and I'll leave it linked in the description so you can kind of format around and see the different faucets. So this is from Classic G05 and it's basically a list to a bunch of crypto faucets which you can use. So I'm going to run you through how it works. And I'm going to show you what kind of the best way to do it is in terms of what wallet you want to send it to. So there's all these links to different faucets that you can see here. People can either mine into these faucets or they can donate the cryptocurrency into it. And then slowly over time, you can just input your address and it will leak out a certain amount of cryptocurrency depending on how much is in the faucet at the time. So we have a bunch of these here. We have nano faucets, as you can see here, banano, vitamin faucet here. They have Algorand faucet, Digi faucet, one of the newest ones, Kaspa faucet. They have a Solana one, they have a Chia one, an Anos one, I've never heard of that, a Doge Nano, and this one that I actually just found for the Near AI. If you don't know what that is, it's a new mineable coin which people are making profits on. There's a video on my channel on it if you guys want to check that out. But there's a ton of faucets out there on crypto that you can actually utilize and get small amounts of cryptocurrency from. So it's not going to be loads, it's just going to be a slightly small amount. So one of the best ways I found to do this is to either use an exchange where you can just transfer little bits into an exchange wallet all the time, or you can use a wallet that contains multiple cryptocurrencies like Zelcore. So I'm going to log in and then show you how it works in terms of inputting your address. So once you're in Zelcore, I'm going to show you how to add assets into it so you can actually claim a bunch of these cryptocurrencies. Now, not all of them are going to be available in Zelcore, so you might need to find a couple of different wallets to allow you to send into. However, let's just take, for example, Digi. Let's just see if they have a Digi address in Zelcore. So there's the Digibyte, and we just added it to our portfolio, and it's going to show up at the bottom here. So once here, you can click on this and then you can click on receive and then just choose which one you want it to send to, click continue, and this gives you a Digibyte address. We then copy this, go over to the Digibyte faucet, and then we paste our wallet address in there. Then after that, all you have to do is click send, and it should have sent a little bit of Digi to your wallet. Now this will update as the video goes on, but we'll also try the Kaspa one. I believe that the Kaspa one kind of had a dry up in terms of how much Kaspa was in there, but we can use a Kaspa one here. If we click here, we can click receive, continue, grab a Kaspa wallet address, input it into here, and then the amount. Sometimes you have to type in the amount, sometimes it will just give a predetermined amount. Then you click on the I am human capture, you just go through this, you click submit, and then it says you have successfully sent 0.009 Kaspa coin to this address. So it is working right now. Let me see if there's any other ones. Maybe there's Algo in Zelcore. We could look up for that. So there's our transaction from Kaspa coin coming in. As you can see there, we've just gained a small amount of Kaspa coin. Let's add another asset in. As I said, Algorand. So there's Algorand and we can add that in. If we scroll down to the bottom again, we can click on that and click on receive and get another wallet address for that. Now, as I said, not all of them are going to be included in the Zelcore wallet. These are just the ones that Zelcore have displayed so far. So we type that in, submit, and it should send over in a couple of minutes, basically. So some of them require you to do tasks on the network. So for example, this Bitcoin one says that earn free Satoshi by subscribing to my channel. So you can kind of offer rewards to claim these Satoshis there. So it's a very small amount of Bitcoin. However, like back in 2010, there was a Bitcoin faucet that gave away 19,700 Bitcoin. So if you're on new coins like Near AI or Kaspa coin, this could be a giant amount in the future if you keep stacking it up. So I haven't actually opened up all of them on there, I don't think. There's more in the comments if you want to check them out as well. There's Nano Faucets, Byte Faucets, Banano, and then following faucets I did test myself. So there's a Matic faucet there. So there's basically a load of them which you can utilize. So for example, the Solana one, let's try that. If we go back and add in Solana into the Zelcore wallet, normally Zelcore does very popular coins. So as we can see there, Solana added. We just scroll down to the bottom and it's basically a rinse and repeat. And I believe you can do this once every 24 hours on the same IP address. So you could cheat the system by getting different wallets and different IP addresses. However, it's only a small amount of cryptocurrency. So it's not really like the effort would reflect how much profit you're bringing in from this, because it is basically free cryptocurrencies. So this one doesn't seem to be working. We just can't claim anything in there. Let's try a Chia one. Let's see if they have that in Zelcore as well. So I'm just testing these out. I know these smaller coins that we are seeing, like this Banano or this Doge Nano, that's probably not going to be in Zelcore. So Zelcore doesn't have a Chia wallet, so we can't actually add that in. However, this is a verified list of the faucets that you can use right here. There are other ones out there, you just have to search around on the internet. But if it gets updated, I'll put a comment down in the comments of this and just basically list out a bunch more that I found if I can find any more. I will be adding this Near AI faucet in, and I'll leave that linked in the description, as well as the link to this website as well. So please let me know if any of the faucets are not working or are dry. That's the terminology for it. And I'll try use a pinned comment to update which ones are dry and which ones are still usable. If you're having any problems, leave comments below as well. Please like the video and subscribe for more content like this.